Hi everyone and welcome to the next video of my C# tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to write a program with if. First, open Visual Studio, create a new project, name it if and create it. First I will do it and you can do it after me. Okay, a string is a regular variable. Console readline means get something from the user. If NA equal Radin means if NA equal Radin, then do this. Else means if the above condition is not met, execute the condition inside else. And that's it. Today you learned how to write an if. If you enjoyed this video, you can subscribe to my channel and like the video. If you have any questions, you can ask it in the comments.